Hey, welcome back. This is going to be a short one. Wanted to get one out this week. Been really super busy. Got a couple of big things to talk about in just a second. As some of you guys know, if you watch the previous videos, I've been talking about we were going to Mexico, which we just got back. We took Junebug, and some friends took their travel trailer, and we camped on the beach, Rocky Point, Mexico, this last weekend, Thursday to Monday. We came back. Awesome time. Got a bunch of video. Haven't had time to get it edited. We'll break that up in probably probably 3 videos. You'll see you come out with that. But lots of cool stuff. Even had a little issue with the Mexican police that turned out okay, but yeah. Stay tuned for those videos. Should be coming out next weekend. Like I said, we're going to try to get a video out once a week, and sometimes it might be more than that. That was the first thing. Second thing, I think I'm gonna be selling this Grand Cherokee here. I'm gonna miss her, but I'm dealing on a 2016 limited 4x4-wheel drive Grand Cherokee. This thing has served us so well, bouncing all over the Southwest, into Mexico, bouncing around Mexico, pulling Junebug here. Been awesome. I've replaced just about every mechanical part on it, which some of you guys have seen some of those videos. So yeah, this deal goes through. I'll be putting this to the 2006 Grand Cherokee on Craigslist. All right, hey, if any of you guys are interested, shoot me a message. I'm gonna take best offer. It's got 175,000 miles on it, bouncing all over the place, but I've taken care of it. I've replaced almost everything that's broken. Got good tires. Of course, got the tow hitch and the 5-pin wiring harness, because the Junebug's got electric brakes. So yeah, that's probably going to be coming on up for sale pretty quick. So like I said, it's going to be short, just telling you what's coming up, and appreciate every single one of you guys. So you guys take care, God bless, and we will see you in the next video.